Hi guys, I'm Susan. Welcome to my channel, and today I want to show some snap jewelries. And we have all kinds of bracelets and rings and pendants and earrings. So you can make all your own snap jewelries. Now let's see we have some jewelries. Now put on desk is the leather. This is a snap leather bracelet, and this is a ring base. And the bronze size is US size from the 7 to 9 different types, and this is 6 colors have the from the 18-inch and 16-inch to large different price. Okay, and now I put in front of me and 3 designs. This 2 is for flower. This is flower designs, and you see this is flowers, different flowers, various rhinestones. This is a raw article, a lawyer, very colorful, beautiful. And also this one. This is also very beautiful flowers. You know that this is snapper for every personality, every style, and every occasions. To change your snappers, and it is a whole new kind of interchangeable jewelries. And this is rhinestones, alloy, many kind of the design, colorful, mixed designs, and a special snapper button like charms you snap in and out of stylish balance rings and more. Okay, we are now try our rings. Use this one rings. Okay, very good. And use this one. Different every day we can change. And when the snapper will detach from the snapper, actually you can quickly remove and replace new designs. Okay, now we change another one. Use this rings, and use our rhinestone like this. Wow, very good, very shining. Okay, very shiny. Okay, and we use this one. This is a really big. Okay, I use like it's different types of it. Okay. Now we try our bracelets. These bracelets use for men and for females, and we use this bracelet. This one. And different price. For this price only need $0.32, and this one you only need 0.37. Okay, and we can use different colors, match our different snap buttons. And with white snap bracelets, and we use also this shining one. Okay, we use this one. Which one too much? We use this one. Say it's very accommodates our snap accessories. Very beautiful. Okay, now you can show clearly, right? Clearly our snap. So if you like, you can also go to our website to choose some necklace and rings, snap buttons, and leather pearls, many kind of design you can go to choose. Now I only put some design for ring bag accessory or leather accessories, but we have more. Okay, now you can go to our website choose, and thank you for your visit our website and the video to say, and later I will introduce more kind of design for you, and I hope you will next time also come and to say Susan.